Hi! In front of me is POCO X5 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings. Now tap on Bluetooth section over here. Following that, you need to enable Bluetooth by tapping on this gray switcher next to it. Now wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the chosen one. In order to connect, select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, click on this icon next to the device, choose Unpair, and to connect to the same one, just click on it and tap on Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!